Oh, hello, I'm Christy, and I'm back with the part second of the story Bipin Babu. So, as you all know, he said that I had never gone Ranchi any time, but he was confused. His mind was blocked. अब वो सोच रहे थे कि मैं तो रांची कभी गया नहीं, फिर ये आदमी ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा था। उनका दिमाग बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर रहा था। Now Bipin Bapu asked his driver Sitaram to drive by the Ganga. He regretted having paid any heed to Ghosh. वो सोच रहा था कि घोष क्या बोल रहा था। I don't know. I didn't understand. Yet the incident haunted him. He had never been Ranchi, he thought. I remember that I had never gone Ranchi. Was I losing my mind? But how? The man knew a great deal about me. That the bag of books, wife's death, brother insanity. But except I had not gone Ranchi. Oh God. Because in 15, I was with Haridas in Kanpur. But वो क्या कह रहा था? I can't understand. Oh, I'm tired. No. I think this is not the real manner. Haridas had left with his wife for Japan. And even I don't know his address. So what can I do? तो देखा आपने कितना परेशान है बिपिन बापू. The river beach was freezing, but a slight discomfort in Bipin Bapu's mind. He rolled up his trousers and took at his right knee. There was a cut mark. Oh my God. It was difficult to remember when he had got it. Now he thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. याद आया? Who is Dinesh Mukherjee? Yes. Oh yes. I have to call Dinesh because Ghosh tell me that Dinesh was in Ranchi that time. But what would he think if I asked for confirmation? Oh God. No. Now sipping a cold drink, his air conditioner living room, Bipin Bapu felt ease again. After dinner, Bipin Bapu forget everything. वो सब भूल गए because he was very tired. Next day in office, Bipin Bapu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day encounter was coming more in his mind and block his mind. Just before lunch, Bipin Bapu decided to ring up Dinesh. चले देखते हैं आगे क्या हुआ. Hello, is that Dinesh Bapu? Vipin here.
Well, what's new?
I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58.
58. What incident?
Were you Calcutta that year? That's the first thing I've got to know. मुझे जानना है, please. आप बता सकते हैं?
Wait just a minute. Let me check in my diary. I have got it. I had been out twice.
Where?
Once in February, nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding. And then, but you do know about this one. This trip to Ranchi. You were there too. आप भी वहाँ पे थे. That's all. But what's all this investigation about?
No. I just wanted to. Anyway, thank you. उसे बस जानना था मुझे बस। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच। ओह, इसका मतलब वो वहां पे थे। So Bipin Bapu slammed the receiver down. He had lost his appetite. अब तो उन्हें भूख भी नहीं लग रही थी। He did not take lunch. Mr. Mukherjee had only added his worries. उफ,